here. I am the head of the department, Science and Humanities. I would like to welcome today's chief guest, Dr. J. Naresh Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Veltech University. He has a vast academic experience. He has total 35 publications, 11 scopus and SEI2. Present PhD research scholars are 4 members and 16 years experience. He has completed his BSc degree from Bharathidasan University and MSc degree from Sastra University, MPhil degree from Sastra University, B.Ed from Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, PhD from Veltech University. I welcome you once again.
Some places are already known here. Okay, myself Dr. Naresh Kumar from Veltech University. Past 14 years I am working in Veltech University here. Before that I have 2-3 years experience in Always College of Engineering Technology. Before that I am working 1.5 years in Arts and Science College. First of all, I thank you inviting me to giving the guest lecture in Matlab introduction. Actually, so Matlab is a big C. I think you know it, everyone. So I know a little bit teaspoon. From the teaspoon, got some dot points I will share here. But it's a big C. I don't know many more things in the Matlab. I know the little bit things related to our maths. Because not only maths we are using the Matlab. Matlab is using everyone, all department people. Apart from maths, actually beginning introducing in Matlab are using the maths purpose only. After that, all engineering pupils are using. It's very most important for the Matlab. In research oriented, not only the subject we are teaching the pupils, but research oriented they people start up using. So I am also learning the Matlab from 2015. Before that I am also I don't know about the Matlab. 2013 only I started to learn the Matlab. We are introducing. So that time also we are also calling the more people from the Matlab people from the Bangalore also we are invited. Spending more money. The people are coming. Then half an hour, 1 hour they are simply showing something slide. Then we will go. After that we have nothing to understand. Why? Because I am telling you actually you want to know about first basic things. What is Matlab? How to type? That to run the program. What the purpose you are using the Matlab? Everything is most important. Then only what is our related mathematics we are going to be using. Then how do we going to be explain the Matlab program to the students? That is most important. Because 10 lines program is there, okay, just going copy and paste it, put run the program, output is coming. Okay, you can exit me. That is useless. Why? Because me, I think all maybe you are completed your PhD, maybe somebody is doing the research work. It's very help to the research work also to Matlab. Okay, so something slide I am preparing. I to try to my level best to do the input something. It's not more. Some little bit what I know. From what I know, I will do some input. That's all. Okay. So thank you. We start the session. After the 2-3 slides, I will give the instruction to you. Go to be open to Google. How we can create the account. Actually, Matlab software is there. 2 patterns there. One is for online. One is for offline. So offline software, if you want to download it will come for more than nearly 20 GB. You want to download the software latest version. The 20 GB software you want to download it. After that you want to install your system. Okay, that system capable is supply or not, we want to check first. Minimum 8 GB RAM. Then only it's run the Matlab program. Otherwise it will be totally collapse your system. It will be hang your system. So my option is always I am using in online only. Because every day we have a net connection system is there. So better is we go to the online version. Just now I talked with the principal sir, he's already got the corporate license with you. If you want to corporate license with you, you can create the account. We go to the www.mathworks.com. If you go to there, if you as usual sign up process, you go with your official mail ID using, don't use the personal mail ID. You give your official mail ID using, you can create the account. Then after that, it will come one mail from the Mat software with the license. If wherever you go, your laptop or your college system you are using, you can log in your mail ID using. It's always you are going to be using once the software will be expired. If your college will be again and again renewal be, it's not a problem. Wherever you go, you can using this, you can access it. Okay. So offline I'm not going because I go to the online. Before that, some basic things I going to be explaining. We start with the Matlab. Actually from the Matrix actually. What is this? Matrix laboratory only we got as a Matlab. So you know it from the Max only is coming. Already told you. The Matrix laboratory name only shortly we call as the Matlab. Okay. So Matlab since we expanded our built-in functions actually many more cases, especially signal processing, optimization, and several functions contain 2D and 3D graphics. Nowadays, 2D, 3D, if you see some your research papers, somebody using Matlab diagram, they are doing some usually what you do, some theoretical concept theorem you are proved. Whatever maybe you are using your topology or your algebra or differentiation, whatever may be, something you are showing, proving, some concept you apply, okay, hence the theorem, statement you can conclude that, or some concept you apply in the existing concept, existing equations, you can work it out. After that, you got some numerical simulation work. What is numerical simulation work? Then you go and show it what your proof is valid. You go to the, using Matlab diagram, you can show it the output. Using the diagram, maybe some 2D diagram or 3D diagram, it will show it. And 99.9% I am using Matlab only for my all research papers. Finally, show the output. Whatever may be, theoretical something you have proved. This and that day we have proved, this theorem verified, using this concept, okay, finally it's concluded that this result is happening like that. But after that, what our valid result is applicable or not, when we go to use it, we using Matlab. We will show it, this diagram is going this way, or it's going to be down, it will be stable, it will be controlled. It's using our concept, the theorem, our logic is going to be applied. After that, system will be stable, system will be controlled. Okay, I am actually mathematical modeling I am doing, my research areas. Every papers I am showing, it will be controlled. Disease will be controlled. Corona, malaria, dengue, lot of things I done the with. Every paper, what finally I conclude that our aim is actually theoretical part something we are going to be explaining. In numerical parts we will show it finally. It will be controlled, it will be stable like that. We are going to show it finally. So that time we are using for 2D or 3D diagrams. Okay. So after that, yeah, these are some applications actually is mentioning actually. Especially for signal processing, image video processing, control system, I am using the control system. Test and measurement, computational finance, computational biology is more. Some important things is still studied. Okay. Especially our max case is using for linear algebra, nonlinear functions, statistics, data analysis, integration, transform, perfecting ways. It's going more. It's limited cases only here, but check is for important cases. This is actually a Matlab setup. So already I told you go to the login, you want to create the account. Maximum you use in the online. It's better. Why? Because if you go to apply the online also, sorry, offline cases, once we download it, 3 months once, the Matlab software will be updated. If you 24, it will go 24A, 24B, it will come again and again. So 24A beginning, 24B after 3 months will be updated. So their people is working 24/7. Every day will be updated the Matlab software. So A to Z, everything is coming. Now is under the Matlab. Not only Max, all engineering subjects they are using. If you circuit system connecting, if you want to connect the circuit, the light is working using Matlab. It's electrical work, ECU work, the system communication, everything we are doing in the Matlab. So the people are day by day is working. So they are updating day by day. So 24A, 24B, 24C will be updated. If you once you want to be offline, you use it. Again, it's asking some updation. Again, you want to download it, package. It's minimum 92 packages available inside the Matlab. Everything separate package. Day by day, they are adding package. So if you once is updating, it's asking again. you want to download the package. If you go to the online, there's nothing to issue. This automatically is there, automatically is going to be updated. Okay, so there is no issue. So this is the online version where you go. So mathwork.com, if you go to the Google, just you type mathwork.com, one website it will be open like that. Okay. So for this here, this one is the trial software is that if you want to download the software. But already I told you now is how many GB? I didn't check it. Last time I checked more than 18 GB is there. So we know it, our network speed how is that? If you are downloading the 20 GB, it's not possible that more than 20 GB. Then system capable is available or not also we don't know. So these things we have trouble. So directly go to the, this is actually a login here, the Naresh Kumar name is showing. If you here is login option is there. You go to be login. First time you go to be created me, you want to sign up. As usual process, how do you sign up? Like that as usual basic information you want to put your name. That time mail ID if you want to give me your official mail ID. With the license will come. Why sir we are not using personal ID? Personal ID is still valid. But it will come I think only 1 month. Short time period. If once your official mail ID will give the license is there made, up to the license valid terms you can use it. No problem. Yeah. So actually after that it will go. Once you go to the inside the login, some workspace is available, some output space also is available. Okay. So what that things is given, history is there, entry is there, comment window is there. I will show you the values is there, everything. Once you open the Matlab, like this only it will come. Okay. What is this sir? Actually this is the command window. So everything command you have to be given here. So this command window, it will be you type the program, run the program, get the output. Everything will display in this window. This is one of the case. This is the main case. Actually, its output will come to this window only. Whatever may be you type the programs, output will come to here only. Actually, two options is there. This command window is the type of program. We can't edit the program. Once you type it, run the program, again you want to type. That is difficult. Because why? Because we want to write the programs to the students. For example, Matlab is using eigenvalue, eigenvector, we calculating. We have program. So type it and get the output. But we are not using only one matrix. We will using more matrix. We want to edit the programs. Again edit, again want to run the programs. So that time we can't using the command window. There is option is there. What is the option? That is you go to the file. Again is mentioning for the M file. You click the file, you open some new file. For new file it will come with 1, 2, 3 numbers. Okay. So that number maybe is not here. I will show it for guarantee. Okay. On left side it will come command history. This will come what we done already the files names. Okay. Here what is the one of the beauties here is what actually is working in this Matlab online. If you after 1 year also it will be open, it will be saved there. You don't want to search any other places. If every file is saved there, the platform is there. If you save your files, if you whenever you want, you take the programs, edit the programs, and run the programs. Okay. When I started that day onwards, my program file is there. More than 8 years I am using. So 8 years file is available in the my Matlab login. So if you go to this file section, once the file is opening, like 1, 2, 3 it will come. Type the program, save the programs. Whenever you want, edit the program, again you run the programs. So these only main things is the Matlab. Command window, M file, this is history, what you've done already everything. This is file cases. What file should name saved, what your diagrams you saved, everything you should here. Okay. These things only, you will be, help center is available. Actually, if Matlab you want to learn me, nobody want to use, directly go and learn. Because the help center is there available. You go to the help center, you click it main, everything is available in inbuilt. If you sample programs, explaining the concept, the mathematical related, the engineering related, everything is inside available in the Matlab online version. Okay, you don't want anybody want to teach you, because we are the faculty, simply you go to the, open the page, just you copy and paste it and run it. What actually want to know me, what is the meaning of the code? Why we want to put it here? Suppose error is coming in, how do we clear the error? That is important. After that, how do we write a program? That is important because already input is there. For example, our syllabus is there. Sir send out syllabus copy also. That's also finally some 2-3 program yesterday night I checked for Laplace and the integration everything. I will show you finally afternoon. That also you can write the programs. If you want the basic everything you know it, you can write yourself. Okay. There is many way of the approaching. Somebody is using 2 lines we getting the output. Somebody same program, it will take 2 pages. That also possible. If writing 2 pages program, for example, eigenvalue, eigenvector. If eigenvalue, eigenvector means only 2 lines it will come the answer. If you matrix eigenvalue, eigenvector within 2 lines you get it. Matrix will do the eigenvalue code is EIG, that's all. EIG of A matrix, EIG of A means answer will come. But the same program, what we actually will do, characterization, lambda. After that we are going to be solve the equation, getting the lambda. This also half-page program we will write. Depending the market, depending the situation, we are writing the programs. That's all. So these also possible, these also possible. This side also possible, this side also possible we have. Okay. Okay. This will be go for matrix only. I will start from there. So this I will be showing for directly. Very good names. Yeah. Actually, whenever you are using the Matlab, we want to queue. Actually, our system don't know which one variable, which one constant. Okay, but we are only using ABC is ABC actually is all are alphabets only. It's not a variable, it's not a constant. But we will fix let the X, Y, Z is a variable. ABC is a constant. Let visually we are writing the students in front on the board. ABC is constant, X, Y, Z variable. All are alphabets only. We will tell is variable be variable. Suppose I will tell X, Y, Z is a constant, means constant only, it's not a variable. Similarly, system don't know is variable or constant. So we only want to tell which is the variable, which is the constant. A equal to 2. A equal to 2 means system only, after that only system will take it. A equal to 2, B equal to 3. Otherwise system don't know. If A equal to direct type, error only will come. Nothing will happen. Okay. So first of all, what is variable, what is constant, we want to give the input to the system. That time is what type of variable will give? Some special character is there. We can't give all alphabets as a variable. Okay, some special character is there. That character we can't use. The special character, why? Because it's already input the value. For example, pi is there. We know pi value. Pi. Suppose pi I am using mean, what is pi value? Directly system will take it. Because something Matlab knows. Pi is this. Pi equal to mean, the value is Matlab knows. 22/7 value is already is input there. So automatically that system will take. Suppose you going to be asking pi equal to 2. That will be the error only will come. We can't use the variable. So that some special character is that. Pi, I, J, INF mean infinity. Default is that. So INF mean Matlab is understood only for infinity. We can't use this. Okay. So when not a number mean NaN, small n equal to 0 mean EPS. Answer. Whatever may be, you type the program, run the program, output it will come with the ANS. ANS is the default answer. Suppose that variable also we can't use ANS. Okay. So some NER, GAN, number of input argument of the function, similarly output argument, largest real number, real fact. These are we can't using the variables. This already is input case, we can't use. These are the operator as usual. What we are using the system, same operator less than equal, greater than equal to. Actually, one value be equal to something mean, we want to put the double equal, not a single equal. If A equal to B, that is okay, constant value we can assume, instead of this equal to this. That is not a problem. If equivalent to some terms mean, you want to put the two equals, symbols. Okay. Otherwise this is all you know it. Yeah. Math assignment operator actually is there. Power, multiplication, division, or symbol. This addition, subtraction, you know it as usual. Power symbol actually is there. Power is actually cap or dot cap. Alright. A cap B, A dot cap B. These are using multiplication also just using for star. If any one symbol, these are mean you don't want to follow all things. Any one you remember, that only use it. Multiplication means star sir. Power means cap sir. Like that you can use. Because don't be confused. Sometimes dot cap also working. Sometimes star and dot cap both are actually different is there. Multiplication and you make it the particular element is the squared. 2 squared. 2 into 2 like this different is there. That's actually that I will explain so for example cases. So multiplication, division means slash, addition plus, subtraction minus like that. Just you remember the common symbols. This also is a given explanation for about simple examples. So y equal to 5 assign, z equal to y plus 1 assign, just you can add in the value. We will show it. Example time we will try directly. This is a very basic, simple and basic command in the Matlab. So clear CLC. Okay. Clear CLC, both are different. Both you can type it and enter it mean clear the screen. Clear also clear the screen. CLC also clear the screen. What is the difference sir? We know CLC is just to erase the code. CLC is just to erase the code. How do we are erasing? Erasing again we are writing. Clear mean, for example, I say A equal to 5, B equal to 3, C equal to 2. Okay. Once you go to B, CLC you put it again, A equal to type means 2 only will come, 3 only will come. What we assigned, that value will come. Okay, I want to fully erase. What already is memorized value, what we are putting already input, everything I want to erase, I want to start with the new. So that time it will be clear. CLC is just erase. Clear mean what already assigned, everything will be clear. So if A put it again, it will come in error only. Okay, otherwise just a CLC mean A enter it, just A put it and enter it with value. What you already putting that value. So CLC just erase the screen. Clear mean what already memorized value, everything will be clear. Okay, both command is remember it, is always a using. So this is the logical operator. Element wise scalar logical NOT and element wise logical AND, logical OR. This simple notation we are using the logical cases. This one. Some matrix function is there, some special cases. What are special cases? 0, random, ones, identity, then substitute the introduce the values. So these cases is always you are using. Sometimes is going to be used for directly. So what is the zeros? So open the bracket, close the bracket, rows and the columns. How many rows, how many columns I need? Suppose I want to type the 0 matrix 10 cross 10. We can't type all value, put it 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Just you put it zeros, open bracket, 10, 10, close the bracket. If we enter it mean 10 cross 10 matrix, it will come all 0 values. Similarly, once also like that, it will come all ones. 10, 10. It will come all 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, it will come. So similarly, suppose you ask, sir, any 2 will come or 3 will come, it is not happening. This Matlab is available only for zeros, ones. Okay, both only is possible. Suppose I want a 10 cross 10 matrix, 2 to 2, everything, there is different method is there, I will tell you. Not like this, direct coding is not available. Direct coding is available only for zeros, ones. I want a 15 cross 15 matrix I want to show. All 1 to 1, all 1 to 0 mean zeros, 15, 15, close the brackets. It will come automatically. Then after that random. Whenever, again I told you for research purpose we are using sometimes, some random value we do the input. Okay. For example, my model as a mathematical model using mosquito. So mosquito calculation purpose I am using some random count. So that time I am putting for Jacobian matrix like that. I am enter some values, random values. So sometimes I am using some other values I can type it. Otherwise, RAND. RAND I type it mean open bracket. For example, I need some random matrix 10 cross 10. So RAND 10, 10, I put it, I enter it mean random value will come. If you once again and again you type, if you 1000 times also type, 1000 different random values will come. That is a special. Otherwise we can't type it different values. we can't remember what already typed, again we'll type. If you 1000 times you want random values, if you random, again and again put again different value will go. Same value is not repeat. Because we are not doing, system doing. So that purpose we are using the random concept. Okay. After that, EYE, it's identity matrix we know. What is identity main diagonal? It will come 1 1 1 1. I want a 10 cross 10 matrix with the main diagonal 1 1 1 me. EYE 10 comma 10. So 10 cross 10 matrix will come all at once. Okay, like that will come. This is substitute the induced values. Actually, indices multiplication cases for program case we are using what values substitute the induced the values. Program purpose, that line we are using this value. This is what is using this one. This to this. So that time we are using S to B to IND. Substitute the values. What is induced the values, what is substitute the value, that purpose both command we are using. So this is plot, I will directly show the plot also. I will show it. This is X label, Y label. For example, diagram it will come. I will show the diagram, plot a diagram it will come with the X axis, Y axis. I want to give X value, Y value. Students mark, rank, I want to put it here. This is the mark, this is the rank. So I want to give the X label, Y label. X label I give it, Y label I want to give me. So directly type X label mean X label only. This is the bracket. For example, this notation I put Ganesh Kumar. Ganesh Kumar it will come for X label. Okay. I will type Sukumar. Sukumar means the notation it will come. Okay. What name I typed that will. So X label, Y label. Corresponding this. I want to put the title. Result performance. So within the quotation, title I put the result performance. Put the heading. What heading will do? That's fine. This will be deserved. Legend. Legend it will come for the graphs we are using legend. Actually 1 and 2. I will show you what is the purpose of legend using. Both combining grid on legend. All of the next code we are using the wedge diagram showing with the case of the axis values. I will show you this. Practically you don't mean we can understand it. So after this just please stop. You will go to login. First we create the account. It will come. Something I will tell you something more. At least you want to try something. Then only you will be understand. I was simply showing something. It will be go here and here. Same as here as student. Okay. I just minimize it. Using the case will go. Otherwise you can sign up to actually get back it. That will go here. Directly. Otherwise you can create the account. Okay? If you create the account here using your official mail, you can create the account. Why? Because once you create a mail, if automatically some license link it will come. If we give it to you, if you already is existing software is also there, that license you put it inside that way, it will be working. Already is input is there, but it's expired. Program is there, Matlab program is already installed, but it's expired me. Your license here copy and paste it will be working. That is important. If up to the license when will be renewal, up to the stage it will be working. No sir, it will be hanging, his RAM is not working properly. You go to online. Better my option is online only. I am using always online. Why? Because this is safety and secure. What your program doing, everything will be saved there. Whenever you want, wherever you want, open the program, you can utilize it. Okay? So you can create it. Yeah.
They have opened.
Already created, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Created, got it. So I go to my login actually. Yes, sir.
Mari.
Password also I'm not remembering. Right?
What happened? Yes.
Nice, sir.
Sound. And the last is on. அப்படி போங்க.
Yes, sir.
போக முடியும்.
Actually, once you log in the page, It will come like that. Actually I have done many more problems, sir. So show it my existing files. Okay. So it will come like that. If you want to install the software, this one, you go and download it. That's already I told you, it's maybe 1 month. It's valid. After that it will be expired. Okay, so you don't go to that option. Here is that. Open Matlab online. So you can click here. Open Matlab online. So before that you check your network connection. Because network is very slow. Network is not available, it's a trouble, big trouble. Okay, so check your network connections is available or not. So you will come. Go, sir. Sir, see here, already I showed you. What is the command window? This is the command window. Okay, here only type the programs, run the program, get the output, everything here show it. If maybe your Windows, you like a calculator also, you can use it. What is the purpose calculator using? Everything here we use here. Adding, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything we can use it. For simple things you can check it here. For example, a equal to 5, I give it here. Enter it. If you, after entering, two cases is there. If you immediately enter this, what happens is that a equal to 5 again we display. Sir, actually I am only typing a equal to 5. I don't want to show it again. I want to do some work. So you put the semicolon. Semicolon is very important. I don't want to show the value again me. You want to put already go to CLC. I put the CLC. Okay, clear the screen. CLC means clear the screen. Just you up or but type the limit mod already typed everything will come. A equal to 5, put semicolon. What is difference? A equal to 5, put semicolon. I enter it. It's not a display. A equal to 5, I am only given sir. I don't want to show again. So B equal to 3. B equal to 3, semicolon. It's not showing. C equal to 5. I don't want to show again. Okay. So semicolon means not showing again. After that, for example, Z equal to A plus B. It will come. Answer. Z equal to 8 coming. So Z I assigned. Z is the answer. Answer name I assigned as a Z. So it will come Z equal to something adding the values. Suppose I am not assigned anything. Simply type A plus B sir. Just enter it. Already I told you ANS. ANS is the default answer. It will come ANS equal to this. Whatever may be calculation you done, if you not assign the values, default it will come ANS. ANS means your problem answer. So similarly you can check addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. Everything. You know it how to operate these things because we are the faculty, so we know everything. Slash you put it, minus subtraction you put it, everything you have to put it. Okay, you can try it just for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything. I go to the directly matrix. How to type the matrix? So A equal capital A. Sir, here Matlab is always a case sensitive. Already I told you what you are using the program inside the variable, special variable you can't use. At the same time, what you are using small a means small a, capital A means capital A. So capital A equal to 5. After I am adding A plus B, small a plus b mean error will come. System don't know about small a. System know about capital A only. Because capital A only we are putting inside. Is right? So capital A means capital A. Small a means small a, that's all. You don't change the, because case sensitive, if you capital A, there small a means error will come. Here mostly is not supposed to use whenever you are program typing, we have confusing. Sometimes simply we type A plus B. So it will come error. For example, here I type A equal to 2, so A equal to 5, semicolon, B equal to 2, B equal to semicolon. Actually, if you want to put semicolon, direct line also type sir. It's not an issue. If semicolon means automatically terminate. You don't want to enter to the next line, you want to come. No need. Semicolon means if you type 1000 value, also single line. Nothing wrong. Okay? So if you go to answer. So now I type small a plus b. What will happen? I am not giving small a. Why here is coming? Small a also is coming. Before that a small a value assigned. So how this value is CLEAR. This clear is, then only small a value will be clear. Otherwise small a is going to something what assigned. And then we type small a. So the answer is coming. So now I clear. Everything will be clear. Now I am going to be typed the A equal to what, B equal to what, again I will type. Here copy space is available, sir, we can use it, no problem. So I am going to be typing. Now I am going to be giving A plus B. What will happen? A equal plus B equal to what? It will come error. Why? Because that is, this is, we are not giving the small a values here. So again we go CLC. Now I am putting CLC means only erase the code. I am not erase the values. Now is coming capital A is what, capital B is what. What I given. Now we will go. For example, Z equal to capital A plus B. Capital A plus B. Now is equal to answer is coming 7. Okay. So case sensitive sir, what capital A means capital A, small a means small a. Alpha means alpha, beta means beta. What we assign? For example, alpha is ALP is A. I am using my problem is alpha, beta. Sometimes I find it alpha. Alpha equal to 7, 9. I enter it mean I want to put the alpha only. So system don't know what is this case. A plus B plus alpha, ALP is A. So the value will come. So alpha means alpha, beta means beta. What we type in the variable that you can type. Value will come. Okay? So you put your own value and check it side by side. Okay? So what you want to think you can type and check it. So I will go to the matrix I will type here. Open bracket and close the bracket is just opening. 1 space will give 2 space will give 3. I put a semicolon. What is the semicolon here?
So it is separate.
So it will come. That will be terminate. Here I put semicolon mean the row will be terminate. First row I completed. Okay. So 4 space 5 space 6. Semicolon. Sir, separate element give the space. Otherwise, you give the comma. Once you give the space or once you give the comma notation. Suppose without space if you type in 4 by 6 means 456. Not 4 by 6. Okay. For example, next value take 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay. So what will come here? Matrix will come. You put the comma or give the space your wish. But you will do properly. Without space it will come the single number. Okay. Now it will come for A. So matrix how to type this will come. So this way only you take the matrix. Okay. Yeah, some special character we have checked now. In the slide, I told zeros, ones, identity, these all are. So these all are here we go and check. I put the clear screen, CLC. So clear the screen, zeros. So zeros is the zeros of 8, 5. 8, 5. So it will come. Zero C mistake without E is that. So 10 comma 10 it will come in. You put the 10 comma 10. Simple terms we know. Here is the three zeros of 10 comma 10. 10 comma 10. So 10 comma 10 you enter it. All entries with the zeros. Okay. Similarly, once you check it. Once. Okay, zeros, ones, what we discussing the ports, everything will check. Show the code again. Yeah, this already check. Zeros, ones, random value, identity value. 4 value you can check, sir. Okay, once value after random values. So you see here the screen. Once ONES once of 10 comma 10. Okay, so it will come. So it's not possible to come 2s, 3s, 5s and all. Only zeros once. That's only possible. Remaining, if you want to mean, you want to type sir. Okay. But some other option is that something loop, for loop case, for some interval case, I want to type the values with. Next slide I will show you how to be going to be entering. Similarly, random values also you can verify. Okay. What is the random values code? RA, ND only. RA, ND only, you can check it. RA, ND, open bracket, 10 comma 10. Something values. Those are brackets. So it will come random. If we 1000 times we type, 1000 different values only will come.
Sir, only decimal or integer?
Integer also is there, sir. If you want to give the code, that's also I will show you. Okay? Again I type. Not coming the same values. Okay? Here integer, the whole values, the round values are all following the cases I will show you. How we can round it, how we can take it, how to fix 2 digit, 3 digit, the things, everything. How to take the loop values. That also I will show you. So remember it, semicolon is the terminate the line. Okay? That's you can remember. So I go to the slide. So side by side also you can check it for the what you have the doubts. Next for this link space. So this code is that if you open the bin side by side, you check that nothing issue. The error will come in, you can check. What is link space here? Actually 1 comma 10. From 1 to 10, I want to equally divide it to 4 parts, 4 values. Okay? So 4 equally divided part is here is 1, 4, 7, 10. From 1 to 10, equal intervals. Okay? So that purpose we are using. Why is this purpose using? We know it means this is not a matter. Say 1 to 10, I want to put the 100 intervals. Equally mean that time we are going to use it. We can't identify. Simply within the second it will come. Okay? So similarly for here 6 is that. 6 equally split up here. Okay? So that purpose we are using the link space. After that, this also this space only is that, sir. 1 space, 2 space, 3. So some product mean everything is there here, average, everything formula is there, within second we get the values. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is not a problem. Simply we can add. But 1000 values is there row. 1000 row is a half 1000 value. I want to add the value. I want to identify the maximum value. I want to identify the minimum value. I want to take the product of the value. I want to take the average of the value. Everything within the second possible. Okay. 2, 3 value mean we know, sir. Why is that 2, 3 value put it mean? We easily verify. Right on this. Average value we can easily verify. Is correct or not? Then after that you put the 1000 value check it. No problem. Okay. So sum mean it will be add 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. Mean value 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3. We take the average. So it will come mean value. So if you write the coding, we note in the code, sum of the value in SVM, mean we directly we know. Just the mean of A. What is A? This is case sensitive already I told you. What is A matrix given here? That value put it. Suppose here small a put here capital A put it will come error only. Okay? What your input is given, same input you can use it. So remember it. Next, length of the value. What is here length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to count it. Why is that? You showing simply 5 value only there. Why you want to count it? I want to type randomly something sometimes for research purpose or sometimes class work purpose. I'm putting entering some randomly some values. How many values I enter it mean? Just to put the length. That's all. If the length mean, it will be counted and shown to you. After that, max.
Sir, one number எடுத்துக்கோ.
Maximum. What did I told you? I want this 10,000 value. Which one maximum I want to identify? How to identify? We can't search it. So MX has to be. So maximum value. It's automatically identified and shown to you. Whenever you put the 100 value, 1000 value, everything, it will come and show to you.
So which bracket have to use?
Sir?
Earlier backside square, that is square bracket. But here we are calling open.
But this coding purpose you give it to me, you give the open bracket only, sir. Not square bracket. This is your input given.
Okay,
So
input.
input matrix if you want to give the closed bracket only here.
Okay.
Whenever using the command coding everything you are using the open brackets.
Okay.
If you want to open it properly, you want to close.
That is matrix.
This is matrix. Row matrix.
Assigned.
Row matrix. We are all dealing with the matrix only here. We are not going with the differentiation integration.
Yeah.
Finally, I will show you how to go inside. Because his beginning is started with the matrix only. Every command coding everything will give. It's converted to the matrix. They will give the input. We are getting the output. So that only the program name is called the matrix laboratory. So that is called the Matlab. Because beginning stage is now is more is that, but the beginning started with the matrix. So that only is called the matrix laboratory. Okay, so we are giving everything. This is raw matrix we are giving. Okay.
So same way if you give
If you owe 10 cross matrix you give. That's what I told.
minimum na minimum.
Yeah. If you 1000 cross 1000 value also will give. Minimum if MIN will come minimum value. Immediately it says identify. Yes. This is sign of the value. Sign means positive sign and negative sign. Which is positive, which is negative, is not showing positive and negative. This is negative, actually 0 means 0, 1 is not identified sign. Remaining positive number means it is showing 1 and negative number means it is showing for the minus 1. Okay? This is simple purpose, understanding purpose, simple some numbers only given. With 1000 number we give it positive, negative. It will how many positive, how many negative also we can count it. So positive means plus 1 will show, negative means minus 1 will show, 0 means 0 only will show. It's not going to the blocks to positive, negative. So SIGN, sign of A. Minimum charge already asked. Minimum means MIN, first 3 letters only. Maximum means MEX, minimum means MIN. So MIN, 1000 value I will give it. From the 1000 I want a minimum means MIN, just to put the matrix name, it will come. So after that product, first 4 letter PROD. If you matrix program you want to write mean, character deviation, this all that time you want to product value you want to take. So PROD, A matrix given to PROD of A. It will come the product of the matrix value. Okay. Actually here this product is only for these numbers. Okay. These numbers, determinant is different, DET. That also I will show you. This product means 1 into 2 into 7 into 6 into 9. That purpose we can use it here. Yeah. Next, these are some codings. If you want, you can use it for your program purpose. Okay. FLOOR. Floor. And the floor of this meaning is, what is meaning of floor? Here fixed. So already sir asked if a decimal value you can round it to the values. Okay. This is fixed value. Fixed value means 3 point whatever maybe will give. Before the decimal, what is that only will come here. 3, 6, 10, 0, 8. So 8.8 is not coming for 9. That is different code. I will show you. After decimal, whatever may be, it will be taken before that value only. So that purpose we are using fixed value. After the point, we will not consider ending. We are not here rounding. Round is code is round. That I will show. That will be round. That also positive side, negative side. Which side will be rounded. That also separately is that. So this is fixed.
Smallest. Greatest. Only very smallest.
Yeah, that's all. So fixed will be 3, 6, but 8.8 also 8 only is coming. Fixed value only. That purpose is fixed coding. Next is floor, FLOOR. So what is this? It's the nearest integer to the minus infinity. What is the minus infinity? Minus 1.1, nearest integer. So it will go after that minus 2 only. 1.1 also it will go to, 1.9 also it will go to. Only negative, not positive. 20.9, 21 is taken, not going to 21. Okay, only negative value only should be taking as the floor. But the seal is there, that is the, it will go to the positive. Okay, next. So floor coding is working for only for the negative purpose. CEIL. Actually small letter only, not capital letter. Here I typed it will come the slide capital letter. So no, there is no capital letter is there, the small letter I already told you. Coding is very case sensitive. Anything typed is capital small letters change in it will come for error only.
It is correcting.
So C small letter.
It is correcting.
Yeah. So CEIL of Z. Here what is actually is that so nearest to the positive integer plus infinity. So only negative is not considering, only minus is coming. 10.9 it will come 11. 2.4 also it will come for 4 also it will come for the 3. Okay. 2.4 also 3. 10.9 also 11. It will be nearest to go to the plus infinity range. So next range the integer case it will come automatically. But negative it's not coming like that. Okay. So now here coming is the round. Now is coming for the round value. Round value fixed. What you do after 0.5 or after 0.5, you take the round it. Before that mean 2.2, 2.3, it will come 2. So it will come 212 minus 211. What is this? Already what we take result here. 2.4, 2 only. Usually we are taking round it. 11.7 round it to 12. So this is minus 2.1, we round it minus 2 only. So 10.9 we round it for the 11. So this we are using to the more case round value will be considered. Round is round only. Nothing the special coding. ROUND. Short is arranging the ascending and descending order we are using here. Short. Okay. Short of X. What is the code actually it got from? That we will put it short value. Short 4 minus 2, 11 minus 1 is arranging the ascending. If it descend mean only you have to give here descend. Quotation. If you in the quotation, single quotation you are putting the descending order will be arranged. For the ascending order, descending order, short. Here you going to be mentioning. This is matrix typing already we showed you. You also already checked. Again it's coming. And this is important case. It will come for the elementary function. This is we are using mathematically.
Sir, descent in either ascent in either.
Ascent.
Ascent and descent both also will give sir. Logarithmics we can use for base E, we can use for here syntax with 2t directly we can take. So the log of x means automatically we take it for base E only. Okay. If we 10 mean want to log base 10 mean you want to put here 10. Okay. After that sin x, here capital letter all you are putting the capital letter. But already told you we don't want to use any capital letters. So everything is small letters only. Okay. So even though calculator we are using gradient, the gradient, different is the radian angle is not doing the gradient. So directly if you take the radians value only. If you cos x mean cos x, it will come radians only. If you want the degree value mean, you want to add in here d extra. Otherwise, it's default it will come radians. Okay, the calculator we are fixing radian, but here just you are putting the D option here. That is for the yes sir. What is not here? Same class sir actually this is I think so.
Got COT sir.
Yeah, that's missing here. Same notation is same only. Only. Maybe I am missing here, that's sir. Inverse I am sure. Inverse mean I am inverse you want to put. The inverse you want to take. Next case. Okay. So here actually using this case they are showing some output. You also check A equal to 7, B equal to cos A value directly will be placing there. C equal to cos hyperbolic value H of A. Hyperbolic value directly remains H of A. You check it, answer is coming out like that. Any value you can use, no problem. Same value also, if you verify the answer, then same value you can use. Yes, sir. Yeah. Semicolon is already told you what purpose you are giving. Without semicolon means value will display in your window. Otherwise, it's not displaying. So here also this one line are typing all value. That's why I told you without semicolon means it will display immediately. So directly, otherwise it will here will come, error will come. Without space typing.
You know the
Hyperbolic, H of A. Yeah. So matrix already I told you know it how to type the matrix. So this is simply showing for what is the row matrix, row vector, column. Like this you can type and check it also. So here actually for column case means one value semicolon, another one value semicolon, another one value semicolon. Then only it will be terminated the row, or else the row is not terminating. You want to terminate the row, what will you terminate to second, third, fourth, fifth main, put the semicolon here. Okay? So this already show how to type the matrix. This is what is identifying the value. Actually, A matrix already show that. This is A matrix. For example, this is 3 cross 3. For example, I have 100 cross 100 matrix is there. So I want the 56th row, 71 column. The value I want to be, you go down to search, directly you can identify it. Okay, that purpose. This is where directly you can identify 2, 1, the corresponding place what value is there. In the matrix, 2, 1 place, what the value is there. So that place is there 4, 2, 1. So 2, 1 here. What is this 2, 1? 4. So this is directly you can using to identify. That purpose directly you put in the command notation, directly you can identify. This already checked it plus, minus, other thing. This multiplication, this is transpose. So A transpose, row change to column, column change to row, is just for a single command notation only. Okay, you can check it, type the matrix, this command notation you can type it, it will come for a row change to column, column change to row.
Answer.
You check it, sir, check it here, don't show, check sir. Check it, maybe it's a mistake. Okay, you check it here, type the matrix, it is single notation dash, check answer, it will come. Whatever the result. Yes, make these mistakes. For that, this concatenation of matrix you can assign it, already we told this matrix also you can assign. X equal to 1, 2, y equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 or 6 space 7. Put a comma here or put a space. It may be showing like without space, but actually space is here. 1 space 2, 4 space 5, 6 space 7. Or putting the comma notation. So okay, you can assign A equal to x, y, z, it automatically divides to take the values. Okay, if you assign B equal to x, semicolon, y, semicolon, z means the value automatically default is. You can assign it. Not only the single value, you can assign the matrix also.
So comma means it will come down, sir.
Not down.
Not down.
Semicolon only will come down. Comma means it will come to space. 1, space 2, space 3. Otherwise 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now finally don't want to put the comma. If you terminate me, don't want to. This is once already showed once. Once 3, 1 minute will come. Already 10, 10 also we have verified. So identity already checked it here. That is asking somebody inverse case asking for here, direct inverse case. trace value. So trace mean here I type the trace code. Inverse of the matrix you type INV small only, not capital. And here type mean capital is coming. So trace of the matrix you want to calculate, inverse of the matrix you want to calculate. I think my research problem is 8 cross 10 cross 10 matrix also I find out inverse. Directly we will calculate is difficult to be solving. So here I am using only Matlab. So directly inverse using, I am getting identified the research of problems. So this is very useful to me for inverse small coding only, very useful for me. So I and B, inverse of the matrix. Short arrangement of this here. So short mean each columns of the matrix is a ascending order. What is here column here? Actually 2, 8, 4 is there now. If we short of A mean, his column wise is arranging for ascending order. 4 come to before, 8 come to down. Similarly here, 2 come to first, 4 second, 6 come to third. So similarly for again 19 number others there. For 19 number come to first. After getting the positive number, which one is minimum value come to first. So the short mean is 3 cross 5 matrix is okay. If you go to the 10 cross 10 more than that matrix, it will come. Okay.
So what it is sorting there? What it is sorting?
Ascending order. Numerical values.
Then -2 it is coming.
Column wise.
Column wise, sir. Column wise. Here it is mentioned in that. Is that?
Oh, column.
Only for each column.
Here is the matrix of the.
First, heavy numbers first.
Okay. So this column is only 2, 8, 4. Here is given.
If you want row wise, some other command will.
Yes, sir. This is only for columns.
Sort is only for column.
Columns. Yeah, that's the function which the array here actually I told you for that special character pi p you are using. Okay. So pi by 2 means directly you are use it for the pi here. Pa. Similarly also here 3.14 divided by 2 means directly pi by 2 you can use it. Answer will come perfectly. Because already this value is input already is there. So sin of x, this x value, it will come the answer selected. Similarly, z equal to cos x actually is from this 0 pi by 2 pi. So if you take the values, the answer will come corresponding to this. Okay, cos 0 1, cos pi by 2 0, cos pi minus 1. This we know it, easy to verify. So that purpose this value given. So next we go to some ordinary differential equations. So this is related to maybe subject you are using. Okay. I think next slide is coming for this basic I will show you. So actually why I am mentioning ordinary and partial differential equation mean in Matlab there is no difference for ordinary and partial. The coding is same coding only. We are only putting these symbol, those symbol. More than one variable we are using, but here there is nothing to here. Differentiation coding is DIFF. That only. If it is doing for ordinary, is partial, ordinary, but only we are using for DIFF. So both are the same coding. So it's mentioning the ordinary and the partial differential. Okay. Since for ordinary differential equation here, since F actually function I consider as F equal to sin phi x. So multiplication symbol, already I told you we are putting instead of multiplication put the star. So sin open bracket phi star x plus bracket. If you open bracket means properly you want to close. How many brackets you are using? Open. Same number of brackets you want to close. Otherwise also error will come. The single term is not an issue. But if you take the problems x squared plus 2x plus 3y plus 4x y z like that it will come. Properly star, if you put multiplication means star inside putting open bracket, close bracket, you have to use properly. Okay. So this f equal to sin phi x. So this is a differentiation coding, nothing too difficult to remember. Simply DIFF. So my function is, my problem is sin phi x. I want to differentiate sin phi x. So DIFF of open bracket f close the bracket. If you put the enter button, it will come answer. Okay, you know the answer. Your system also you can check it. Same code using. So another one problem is e power x into cos x is that. That also you can check the phi into cos of phi x. Okay, the answer right here. G equal to e4x into cos x. Okay, this is e4x into cos x. So exp of x into cos of x. Differentiation of e4x into cos x means what is formula? We know uv formula. uv dash plus v u dash. So e4x only side cos. For e4x differentiation e4x cos x value same we are keeping. Next time e4x keep it same. Cos differentiation minus sign so put it to the minus here. So this answer coming I am not checking. For any one known problem we can try it. This is differentiation values coming up. Any complicated differentiation you can check it easy to answer we can easily verify.
So initially let's start with since.
Yeah, this I missed here. Sir asked a good question. Yeah, this is symbolic variable. Actually, what is my variable here? Already I told you. Computer don't know the which one variable, which one constant. We only want to assign what is here variable. Actually, my variable is what is here. F equal to here function of x. X only variable. So y equal to f of x means x is variable x. So since is a symbolic variable. For example, suppose f equal to y also I am using here. That variable also we will go what we do. We are telling us partial. So that time since x comma y or since x space y. That also is considering as a variable. So it will go to partial. We are using more than one variable. So it will go to partial. So side by side also you can verify itself the system. Simply for here given some examples here. e4x into cos x. Answer is coming e4x into sin x. You can verify side system. Yes. Yeah. I saw my son also saying. This is you can try. With the two variable, the same thing it will go to the integration also. Differentiation how we are using, similarly we want to use the integration. Which one variable also we can assign it there. Yeah, both variable. Partial it will go now. Okay, so. Sir, just to open it command window and check it sir. For differentiation.